follow with
Hi, good day to all of you, whatever time you're watching this video. Today we'll discuss about DMAIC with a very interesting analogy. If somebody is feeling unwell, what do? Do they rush to the doctor, or do they just check around, find out if it is something which can be cured, or if the root cause is known why there is this problem? Is there some quick fix medicine you can take to get yourself well? Or if not, if it is quite a serious issue, then a visit to the doctor is warranted. The doctor then understands what's the problem, what is happening, what is the story behind the entire episode of not feeling well, and then goes on to take some data. He takes probably the height, weight, temperature, etc. of the patient, as well as maybe recommends certain blood tests to get further information. Once all the data is in place, he analyzes it to understand what is the root cause, why is this problem persisting, and then he recommends the right medicine. And once you start taking it, sometimes before you go ahead with the full medicine, he may ask you to try it out to see that there are no side effects, etc. And then go ahead with the complete treatment, post which he asks you to monitor to make sure that the patient is continuing to be in good health. And after that, he moves on to other patients, and you continue to document whatever you've been through so that in case in the future there is a relapse, you're ready for it. Or if there is someone else who faces the same thing, you have some recommendations to give. Yes, the same thing happens in DMAIC, the Six Sigma project. You first identify a problem, see if it's just something which can be easily solved, or is it really worthy of a project. And if a project is warranted, you create the project charter, explain the problem statement, goal statement, scope, business case, etc. Form a team, collect data around the process, get all the assets information. The same is then analyzed and the root cause identified, or the vital causes identified, so that the right solution can be implemented. Before the solution is implemented, there may be a risk analysis done or a pilot implemented as well. And then the full-scale implementation is done, after which there are certain measures taken to make sure that the process improvement is sustained and it's not a flash in the pan. So there are some control plans in place, and with that the project becomes a success, and then people move on. The process excellence team moves on to other process, and the process owner handling that process continues to document everything which has been done around the project. So in case there is another issue, they can always refer to it, and if there is another process which goes through the same thing, it can be recommended. That's DMAIC for you, explained in maybe probably just under 2 minutes. And I hope you understood define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, the basis of Six Sigma. For more information, do remember you can always give us a ring. Thank you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you.